This week I'm testing the luxury 7-seater Range Rover Sport, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the Range Rover Sport is packed full of friendly little features. So just on the window control panel here, you've got a child lock for those back doors and windows, which is really handy. And you can raise and lower the suspension height of the vehicle, making it easier for getting in and out. There's also a lock on those rear doors automatically. They can't open those doors into bikes going past or oncoming traffic or anything like that. Number 2 is the auto lock and unlock doors. I can unlock them from any door. It doesn't have to be the front driver's, which is really helpful. Also, it will automatically lock itself when I walk away, which is fantastic, and it makes a click noise that you can hear loud enough that you know as you've walked away that it's locked itself. Number 3 is a couple more fantastic family-friendly features. These DVD screens are fantastic for keeping little passengers entertained on long journeys. Also, that central console box esky is great for keeping their snacks nice and cool too. My family has loved its week with the Range Rover Sport. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.